I don't know if Nike intended for this 40% off discount to apply to Air Force Ones, but they pulled it so fast, like, no, absolutely not. This will not continue. So if you hit on a super discounted pair of all white Air Force One lows, it could be white, it could be black. If it's black Air Force One low energy, you know, hey, it is what it is. Not judging you, but go ahead and comment below. Did you hit on this? Because of course I saw it come through my timeline, whether it was on Instagram or Twitter. I think I might have seen it at Nice Kicks first, but 40% off. All you had to do is be signed into your Nike account, add to cart, and you would see them pop up for only $66. So quite a few of you likely enjoyed this sale, especially if you know you're someone that re-ups on all whites, which you literally have to do after like so many wears, or I don't know, there's that whole cohort of consumers that just beat them into the ground like so bad. It's so disturbing how they do white Air Force Ones. Very disturbing. But if you were someone that wanted these, awesome. I've said before, I am more likely to just pick up a pair of like all white low 90, like all white 97s, that's just it. That's where I am. Or shadows. And I am interested, as I've said before, in the Billie Eilish pairs. I don't know how interested in terms of buying, but I like them a lot. And also we saw a leak of a brand new Sacai that has a woven pattern design. Very interested in that too. We've only seen one angle though. I really want to see the rest of the shoe and how it's constructed and the woven design all over the upper. Like, I want to see more. So I'm sure we'll see leaked photos very, very soon. But this was very interesting to just see that discount drop. Now, I'm recording this on 3/14, so it is pie day. So if you're somebody that loves pie, great, go ahead and enjoy pie. I'm not. I'm a cake person. Like chocolate cake, I'm a cake person. I just am. I'm a cake person. I'm not a pie person unless it's like Oreo pie, but even then I would just prefer you just give me like an Oreo cake. That's just me. But you can also comment below, are you on the pie side, are you on the cake side? But then also, did you see and enjoy Steph Curry go off right before his 35th birthday? But also Clay was just having himself a moment and I love it to death. I had to bow out early though because I am trying to be the responsible adult in my sleep, getting up at the same consistent time for my morning workout. So yeah, I bowed out and went to sleep, but I woke up and we won, and that's all that matters. It sucks that it had to be against Booker, but you know, he still did his thing, I'm pretty sure, with like 32 points. So outside of this crazy discount that just happened and it's pie day and all of this, I have some things in. Now, I will say this in relation to the discount that I'm just sure took people by storm today. I've said in a video before, I'm pretty sure, I'll try to find it and link it. Just in case money, just in case funds, and I'm not talking about savings, but like literally just in case, if you know like something might drop and you really may want it, or you've been patient waiting for a drop to happen, right? You've seen people sponsor and they're like, hey, I have this extension on my browser and it lets me know when anything is on sale and I can just go ahead and check out with that coupon code to get the discount. You can also just track different things. I track things on Google Chrome like all the time. If I'm interested in them going on sale and knowing like I'm ready to pull the trigger and go ahead and buy this as soon as it's actually on sale, you can have that in place. Like, it doesn't take you having, you know, some special extension that they talk about. But I think it is smart, because what if in the event you know you intend to buy something else, or you've waited, we have wish lists, you have a wish list for things that you want, and you're like, once they hit this certain threshold, I'm all game, I really want to buy it. But if you're not smart and that money's not set aside already, what if you didn't account for that, right? And so you've been tapped out for March. Like, March has already done you in. It's been a lot. Your pockets are saying stop. We've hit the bottom. Do not spend a single dollar more. But then, like, you see the sale come up and you're like, well, you would feel there's a fear of missing out, right, when it comes to certain sales. And it's not that I haven't been there before, but I was lucky in that I had already put that money aside. I did that with a lot of the Fear of God 7th collection items when they went on that like 70% off sale. Remember, I was already putting money aside every month. So when the time came, I was able to enjoy those crazy, insane deals on Fogg's website. And I kind of did that again on Essence. Not for mainline, but for essentials. So very soon I'm going to do a video. It's just not going to be today. I'm just being real with you. But I am going to do a video because you guys remember, like I posted, there was a crazy steal on shorts. Okay, so we're approaching spring. sweat shorts. I'm a big fan of them, working from home and just being comfortable. So I went ahead and picked up shorts. Now, here's the thing. It was smaller sizes. So if you can't wear like below a small, sorry. Now, myself, I have smalls, and what I'll actually do is a comparison between small, and extra, extra small based on my height of 5'6", just to give you guys an idea. So we can just like look at these really quick here, because I'm not going to do like some crazy in-depth unboxing when I actually do go ahead and try these on. Now, here's the interesting thing, okay? If you look at this, okay, it says exclusive green. Hopefully you guys can see that, but I'm pretty sure it says exclusive green, but then it says concrete. Okay, like can you hopefully you guys can see that. This was the extra small pair. And I have concrete. This is not concrete. Concrete is, I'm gonna get concrete for you. This is not concrete. Okay, this is concrete, okay? Do we see how these are not the same things? Okay, so this is concrete. This is not concrete. And if I look on the tag here, it apparently it's confused. It says exclusive green, but it says concrete. It's not concrete. It's super light though. I will say that it's super light. So I want it green, and again, I went with an extra small. But we know that everything is oversized, especially the bottoms. Like the bottoms are so oversized just in terms of the sweat shorts. So went ahead, got that. And then here is a second one. Now I got the exclusive beige because we know that I love that set. And then it says linen though on here. So yeah, I have no idea. Don't ask me what's been happening. Okay. No idea. This is the beige color though. This is absolutely the beige color. And so I can go ahead and swap out the pants because I have the traditional cuff sweats. I can swap those out, and I can rock the shorts for the spring and summer with my hoodie or any number of things. I can't wait. Now I will say it'll definitely give me a shorter look because it is the extra, extra small. But if we're being honest, if I were to go true to size in these shorts, and extra, extra small is probably what I need, because I'm not really that big. Like I know that videos and pictures like give me the illusion of being bigger, especially if I'm like fresh out of the gym with a pump. I am smaller, okay? Like my waist is 25 inches, so the extra, extra small certainly is probably what would fit best, like true to size. So again, I have the shorts in. I'll go ahead and get those up. Comment below on the shocking Air Force One discount that happened today. Stay tuned for more videos. I really appreciate you. As always, act your age, not your shoe size. Peace.